All right, so the windows are done today. We paid the remaining 10,000, and then altogether for the windows was 20,000. And then I just picked up some more screws, and then PVC for the other side of the gutters. And that's a total of 1,689. So one more trip to the store to get 150 more screws. That's a total of 225. Hey guys, good morning. So Macario is working on Jason's stuff. Here's a little update. And I like your container, bro. That's bamboo.
Bamboo.
Yeah, that's awesome. So it's looking really nice.
Bamboo na yung kwansan. Sudlanan.
Bamboo man.
Bamboo man, yes.
Bro.
Alright guys, good morning. So today is a big day. They got the windows going in. That looks good, bro. Really good. Wow, that makes such a difference. Let's take a little walk around.
Oh, shout out.
That looks so good, bro. Man, what a difference that makes. That looks so good. Hey, bro.
No.
Hey, bro.
Bro, come in your house.
Bro,
Inside.
this looks so good.
Good. Bye.
It makes such a difference. It, you know, it makes it cooler now with not all that light coming in.
Yes, good. Oh, good.
So cool.
Good.
Yeah.
The hair lock is good. Oh,
Good, good.
Yes.
Very nice.
nice. Nice window.
Yes.
Wow.
So now with the ceiling going up and then the tinted windows,
Yes.
it'll be a lot cooler in here now. You can just see the difference with not that brightness of the sun coming in. It makes it just darker in here. So that means it's gonna be cooler.
I close this.
Yeah. And then you can open them if you want a breeze coming through. That's so cool. Jason, you happy, bro? Happy?
Welcome to
Your house!
my room.
Welcome to Jason's room!
Yes, your room is behind. Thank you to all of you. Yes, I'm happy.
Good, bro,
Yes.
good, bro. Very
This
exciting.
is the thing, the big thing that you give me. I'm happy.
Good, bro.
Happy.
Good. Thank you to everybody
Yes.
out there.
Yes, thank you to everyone. Thank you to Dustin. Open the window. Yes.
Look outside.
Look outside.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Then if it's rainy or too hot, just close it.
Yes.
And there. No more wind. No more rain can get in.
Last night the rain is go inside and the wind is so very hard.
Last night was a huge storm. Did you lose power? Did you have a blackout or a brownout?
Yes.
We had a blackout. We just finally got
Oh.
power back.
Yes. All over that window. Because it's storm.
Yeah, very heavy storm last night.
It's
So now with these, once you move in, that'll help protect no rain coming in, no wetness coming in.
I select this because the wind is hard to push.
It's very durable, yeah.
It become big.
Yeah.
And she push the window.
Yeah.
Just jump.
That's important.
Oh,
That's important.
Yes. But this window you select good.
Yeah.
Dustin select this window for quality and good.
Yes. Because we know being on top of the hill here, it's probably going to get some pretty heavy winds. So we try to make everything as durable and as strong as possible.
Yes.
And that's including the windows.
Strong ceiling.
Yeah, strong
roof,
ceiling, strong roof.
Strong
Windows, strong wall.
wall.
Yes, everything.
If typhoon comes, I will this. I will.
Strong Jason.
Yes. Dustin. Thank you. Woo. Window. Just beautiful window. Woo! Yay! Yes.
So Macario's done with the first set. There's the bench, the table, and 2 chairs. We'll get that to the house today, and the rest will come at a later time. Watching Macario tie these knots, I think he's a knot genius, and I am not a genius. So he's gonna put one more table in the middle. That's impressive, all on that bike.
I asked, did you do this before? Is it yes? Today.
What's the most you ever had on one delivery?
Pila usa ka daghana na imong na-deliver sa una. Usa ka deliver.
Ay, kamay ni ay. Okay. May katre may butangan ko diha nya kini ibabaw ko ni hurot.
This is just
This is basic for him. Wow, look at this.
he delivered bed, this and this together.
That's really impressive.
Diha nya kini mababaw ra ko ni.
Bed, bench.
Macario says balance is key. That's the secret.
Good luck.
We'll follow you.
Amping. We're almost there.
It's gasoline. we're pretty far from a gas station. We should have thought about that before. Alright, so we ran out of gas. So
I'll ask there if they have gas.
Alright.
Hold on.
Ay gas.
Good thing he just ran because it's like going down. Ayo, na may gasol. Oh, gas dong?
Balik. Balik.
Alright, so in the province, there's usually not a gas station around. So sometimes you'll see like a sign like gasolina for sale. We just passed a couple, and so far, voila, every time we go by, they say none. But I think there's one more over here. We're gonna check. Man, that's a nice view over there. I have ADD, sorry. That's a nice view though. Alright, so there's one more spot over here. Here's Dodo's house. And then there should be another gasoline place, hopefully over here. Is there gasoline here?
Ay balik gasolina dere? Yes.
Yes. All right.
Here's Alice.
Hey, Alice. So this is how it works in the province if there's not a gas station around. They usually put the gasoline like in a container like this. And don't want to confuse it because it really does kind of look like Sprite, maybe until you open it. This is like 80 pesos.
Yeah.
So we'll go bring this to Macario and fill up his bike, and then after you empty it, you bring this back. All right, so we made it back with the gasoline.
Gas.
Don't drink it, it's not Sprite.
That's right.
The motorbike is thirsty.
All right, it was thirsty. I gotcha. You can go back slow. We can just carry it from here if you want.
Itong butanganan niya ba?
Just put inside, oh. Good.
Chelsea strong.
Yeah. Very.
Wow, nice.
Very nice.
You sit.
You sit.
I'm a no model.
So very soon, the TV cabinet will be there. Then you can spend the evenings looking out the windows, drinking some coffee, watching some
Just
TV.
okay, close. Put
Yeah.
Perfect,
sit
yeah.
there. Yes. The spots. Oh, good. Thank you.
Hey, thank you.
Oh, let's give our set up.
That's beautiful.
Yes. Tanaw dre. This what's the view. Okay. Okay. Oh, you good worker, hard worker.
So what'd you decide, this way or that way?
This way.
Long ways, okay.
Yes, long way.
All right, so the workers just left. Another good day of many improvements. They have pretty much the ceiling all done inside and outside. And that awesome furniture, I'm really liking that a lot. And then soon there'll be a TV cabinet there. Those windows are awesome. All right, so what's left is the outside ceiling. All right, cool. So another day of a lot of improvements, and then we'll just come back tomorrow. And I think they're gonna work on the ceiling out here tomorrow. So we'll see you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you guys soon.